If you don't like which username you initially signed up for on Instagram, it's super easy to be able to change it to a new username. However, keep in mind it does have to be a unique username that no one else has selected. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, just open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on the profile at the bottom right, and tap on Edit Profile under your bio. Next, just tap on username right under name, and you can see my username, Trevor Nace. Keep in mind, it does say on here you can always revert back within 14 days, and you can edit it up to 5 times in 30 minutes. However, keep in mind, as I said, it needs to be unique. So if I wanted to switch my username to Trevor and I hit the check mark, you can see it says username is already taken. So it does need to be a unique username, but after you've entered in something that is unique that nobody else has chosen, just tap the check mark and you'll have that new username. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me. And I hope to catch you on the next one.